Hey guys, zpolt here and I'm back for another video, and today we're gonna do another sound test. Now the most popular sub $50 IEMs here in the lab. So we have in our list the ZS10 Pro, TFZ T2, Tin Audio T3, CCA C10, the AS6, the AS10, the TFZ S2 as well. So we have 8 IEMs here in the lab, the most popular ones. First phase is the blind test. So I'm gonna show 8 letters on the screen. You choose what IEM is your favorite. Okay, so that is the blind test of the 8 popular IEMs here. What have you chosen? Let me know down below before I proceed to the second phase. Will be really interesting. What is your choice in that 8 IEMs? So now, let's proceed to the sound test. I'm gonna show the IEMs on the screen. Okay, so that is the sound test of these popular IEMs in the sub $50 range. What is your favorite in the end? Even if after I showed the IEMs, what did you pick? Let me know down below. Let's have a discussion. And of course, if you like this content, leave a like, and of course, subscribe for more content like this in the future. And I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.